Ito friendly talaga to sa mga ano. Hello, Gamsa.
What is that, Precious?
It looks like a duck because it has like a duck feet.
The feet. This is your feet. His feet is like ano, like a
Fin.
like a fin. There, oh. Very good.
Look like hindi pala. It looks like a duck. And the other one looks like a chicken also.
Oh,
And the other one too.
yeah. What happened to her wings? It's like that, huh? Oh, I like it. What is that? What? Bye bye. She's scared of us. She's scared of us.
No, hold your hands there.
Crawl.
Crawl.
Come on. Crawl.
Oh, she's doing it.
Crawl.
With your feet.
Okay, my turn.
Tama na.
Baka may laglag anak.
My turn.
Sunod anak. Sunod anak.
Do it. Grabe naman yung paa.
Ah.
Dapat yan paa eh. Yung paa ka. Tama na. Shoes.
Baka naman.
Wait, I'm going to
Hawak. Mana ka sa ama mo.
Tawag mo si Lola. Pia ko, Lola. Huwag ka na dyan. Huwag ka na dyan.
Sit down lang dito na.
Go, Lola.
Wow!
That's not Lola. That's a different one. Tawag mo si Lola, Lola. Who are you?
Mama, can you help me?
Yan.
Ayan, very good.
Ikaw naman. Tawan ko na.
Kaya
Iyak ako. Si Pia, hindi ko nakakayanin. Oh, sige, magpaa ka.
Diyan po si Pia sa harap mo.
Dito na. Ayaw niya kasi.
Kaso ayaw.
Tara, dito!
Wow. Diyan ka natira. Gawa ka dyan ng bahay.
Mangki-mangki ka nga.
Ayan ka. Mauo ka karon.
Ngayon ang puhunan.
Sabi mo, hi Papa.
Hi, Papa.
I wanna live in a tree. Dagat. Louder.
I wanna live in a tree.
Mountain.
Di ba there's a tree house, sabi ni teacher.
Oh, you see nanay dito.
Sabi ko sa'yo. Pia.
Ano ba, meron kami picture na ate Ari, di lumakit ako.
Kumakit ka sa lubi.
Di ka kaya na, patanggalin mo. Nagkalok ba ng kamay ta?
Naghalok pa rin ka ng kamay.
Okay pa, hindi sakit sa akin.
Look, she Siyempre, binuhat kita.
Hawak nga lang. Ano?
Oh, yan na yung mga monkey na. Yeah, there's a monkey, mother monkey. Come here, come here.
Parang ah.
Bakit? Sarap pa yung buhay.
Siyempre, lasang chocolate.
Bakit?
Pati din nga ng mga ano, monkey. Oo, come on.
Antay lang, dako ko din na.
Tawag, alam mo ang tawag niya sa... No, it's not scary. I'll hold you. I will not let you go.
Hi, Precious.
Precious is
Precious.
even heavier.
Sarap dyan. Precious, sarap dyan.
Karoon mo na dyan.
Sarap ng buhay mo dyan.
If you have...
Sarap buhay.
Oh! I told you we're almost there. Huh? Oh, I'm gonna cut.
Why you go down?
Pia, I'm not gonna let you go. Please.
Why you go down?
Okay, here's your sleepers.
You want what? Pia
But
to?
slip down.
You want Pia to what?
Pia to trust me.
Do you trust Precious? She trusts you.
But I want to be close to you.
Wait lang ate, ano ate Chow Chow.
It's not hard, Pia. It's just madali. It's just so small. Look.
Taas ka lang muna, Chow. Chow, ka muna.
It hurts. It hurts.
Si
It's not
Precious
gonna
muna.
hurt. Don't worry. Don't worry. It's gonna be safe.
Hawak kami kamay nila dyan, eh. Walang hahawak eh.
Pia, be safe. Pia, hold on this. Pia. Pia, can you please follow me? Hold on here. With your feet like this. Where could I sit? You
Over
could
here.
sit with Ate Chow. Come. Mama, can you hold me?
O sige na, Precious muna muna.
Like this,
Wait lang Pia. One at a time. Hawakan mo Chow. Hawakan mo Chow. Baka dumulas. Okay. Next is Pia. I'm gonna hold Pia.
Hold me back.
Okay. Ayan na. Ayan na si Pia. Very good ate.
Very good. Pia, hold on to me.
Hold to Precious. Hold to Precious.
Hold Precious. Ayan o. Ayan na kami ni Precious.
Good job!
Yeah, Pia.
Galing naman ni Precious mag-motivate. Ikaw lang nakapagpaakit kay Pia. Very good anak. She trusts you. She trusts you. Good job. Lola, nasa taas na si Pia. Asa na yung mga monkey dyan? Nasaan na?
Monkey! Monkey!
Alright.
Sabi mo, sarap-sarap buhay talaga ah.
Sabi mo, sarap-sarap buhay.
Sarap buhay.
Mabilis na hawakan mo na yung kamay ni Pia para makaupo siya dyan sa baba. Ito tayo na yung loob Pia talaga.
Pia,